Search for download Python and hit enter. Click the first link and hit the download button. This will start the download. And now search for another software called PyCharm. Click the first link and scroll down, and we have download the community version. Click the download button, and this will ask you to select the download path. Mine will be on downloads folder, and click save. This will start the download process. Now it is downloading. Click on the Python installer. This will open the widget. Check the both boxes and click install now. The installation process won't take much time. The Python program has been successfully installed. Disable path limit. If you want to add to the environmental variable, close it. And now open the terminal, and we have to install few libraries package from the Python package manager. So let's first check if the Python has been successfully installed or not. In the terminal, python and hit enter. As you can see, Python has been successfully installed. Now exit it. Now we have to install few packages using the Python package manager. But before, let's install the PyCharm community version software. It is an IDE from JetBrains. Installation result should ask you to click next, and click next, and mark all the boxes here. All are important, and after marking all the boxes, click next. Installation widget would start installing programs, PyCharm program on your computer. Now let's go back to the terminal and install pip install virtualenv. It's a virtual environment for Python. Now install another software package, pip install numpy, and hit enter. In order to install the Jupyter Notebook, which is our preferred notebook for learning Python, we have to upgrade our package manager of Python. In order to do that, type Python in the terminal and -m space pip install upgrade pip and hit it. This will upgrade the Python package manager. Now we have to install few more software package. First will be opencv. We will be using this package libraries in our upcoming videos, so we are installing it right now. Next will be matplotlib. This is used to display data using graph. And lastly, the Jupyter Notebook. Let's install by typing Python -m pip install and Python Jupyter. Hit enter. Now let's start the Jupyter Notebook by typing Jupyter and space notebook and hit enter. This will start a web server locally on our local machine, which you can access by following the link in the terminal. Press Control and click the link which you want to open. Now for me, let's click the second link. This will open the link in the dedicated browser. My default is Brave browser. As you can see, the Jupyter Notebook has been successfully opened in the browser. Now let's create a notebook by going to the file and click new and click notebook. This will create a new notebook in Jupyter lab, you have to keep the default kernel selected. Mine will be Python 3, so I will keep it selected and press select. Now this is a box where you can run your code. Let's try to run a first simple code. Print hello Python is fun. Let's run it. Press the play button to run the Python code. This is a simple example how to you can run Python code in the Jupyter Notebook. You can change the type of this box by clicking markdown or raw. This is a markdown. You can select it raw and you can type whatever you want. This type of box will not execute. Only the box with the bracket and number on it is executable, or where you can run your code. This is a simple raw box. Click the plus button to add new box. Now this is a code box. If you try to run it, it will throw an error because this is a code box. You cannot simply write anything and try to execute it. In order to remove the comment, simply press shift and hash. This will comment the line and you can remove the error in this way. So this is for today. In this next video we will be taking a dive into how you can work around learning Python in the Jupyter Notebook. In order to save the notebook, you can press save notebook. But if you want to shut down the whole Jupyter Notebook, you can go to file and press shutdown. This will shut down the web server which has been running on the terminal. So this is for today. Let's see you in the next video.